This was requested by the original uploader.
Big storm. Gets grounded and then gets arrested. Oh, and this video was requested from a user called CJ Ain't No Busta. Enjoy it.
Wow. I can't actually believe that I found my
I
phone that
enjoyed
was
Dora's
behind Mom's
arms in
bed.
this.
This is so awesome. But I'm still sad because my voice is still Julie and is not Kayla yet. But oh well. Maybe I should
Is she upset that she sounds like Caillou's mom, Doris?
wait 1 month more so I can get my voice back. And also, I should install some apps in my phone so I can get entertained all day. Maybe starting with...
Excuse me.
Oh wait, what is this storm simulator about? It says that it could prepare a really big storm so all the people will be scared and maybe someone die. But wait. I should not talk like this, because if my mom hears me talking something that she actually considers explicit, she could come here and ground me for no reason at all. But
That's actually true, Dora. That was really mature of you to think that way.
whatever, I'm not gonna obey to that and I'm going to install this application.
Darn it, Dora. You were fun. You were just... You almost behaved.
Even if my mom likes it or not. So, let's install it right this instant. I already installed this application, so let's see what things it's actually featuring to make it more funny. Oh wait, it says that because of installing this application, I have won $1 million. That is so much money.
I predict that Dora's mom is going to tell her to stop being so loud.
I'm gonna press this button to get my actually deserved reward.
I think this is a scam, Dora.
Oh my god. It's a really huge tornado. Please run for your lives.
Okay, what is Abuela even saying? And no, I think she died, unfortunately. Very sad.
Dora, can you please come here just for a while? We need to have a very serious talk with you.
What is it, Mother?
Dora, we need to tell you something really serious, so stop laughing.
Okay, but what happened, Mom and Dad?
Dora, don't you remember that very strong storm that happened like 15 minutes agosto? Well, it killed your grandmother because she had a really strong attack in her heart when she saw it.
When the doctors saw her fainted on the ground, they took her to the hospital and tried to revive her, but unfortunately, nothing happened. So, we are now calling you to take you to your Abuela's funeral and say goodbye to her, so you'd better behave in there, or else you know what is going to happen. We will ground you like always,
Poor
but whatever,
Abuela.
let's go.
When they got to the funeral,
We are now live at GNN News, but this time, these news are really sad, because a grandmother called Valerie
Is that Abuela's twin sister? Because it looks like her.
died of a heart attack when the tornado occurred. We are now going to interview everyone to know about their opinion on her. So, Elena, we need to know what are you feeling right now since Valerie died?
Well, I actually feel really sad right now, because she was my mom and I loved her so much. She
Wait, I
treated
thought she was Cole's mother.
me very well, and also Cole. I will always have her on my heart.
Wait, unless she's referring to mother-in-law.
What's your opinion on Valerie Marquez?
well, she always was very good with me, because she always was at my side, and she always was really generous. Y will miss her so much. Wow.
Okay, I don't even understand what he's saying.
Thank you for your opinion. you, ma'am, what was your opinion on Valerie Marquez?
She always took care of me when I felt bad, and also, she was really generous like Cole said, and most of all, she was the best sister that I've ever had. What
I knew she was her sister, but are they twins?
Thank you for your opinion. So, because you are the final one, Dora Marquez, can you tell us what was your opinion on Valerie Marquez?
Really? Do you want to know my real opinion on Abuela?
Yes, we would like to know how do you feel right now since Valerie died.
Oh well, you asked for it. Here it is. I was the one who caused the storm with an app that I had on my phone, called Storm Simulator, and besides, I don't care if Abuela is dead, because I will not have to deal with her anymore.
Okay, if Dora did not announce it like that, then she would probably never get in trouble. Pretty much. I predict that Abuela is probably gonna come back in the next episode due to go animate logic. That's what I predict.